I I really enjoy all tech field day events. AI infrastructure field day is certainly one that I find really enlightening because there's a lot of new things going on. We particularly saw Excite Labs showing us brand new hardware that they had designed that was specialized to some of these new functions, particularly for scalable AI for training, but very much for AI inference going on somewhere which is not the center of our data center. The other new sponsor, new presenting company that we had at AI Infrastructure Field Day this time around was Fabrics.ai. And again, as we saw at the previous edition of AI Infrastructure Field Day, moving from a few test cases to lots of production deployment is really hard. And that's where Fabrics AI comes in. They will build agents using an agent framework to allow you to relatively easy scale from a couple of agents to potentially hundreds and thousands of agents running. Another interesting insight that we got at the event was Brian Martin from Signal 65 Labs. Now, Brian's been a recurrent delegate because he has some great insights, but he shared with us some of the amazing capabilities that the Signal 65 team have to do actual physical lab work around AI, building out very large infrastructure. Do check out that video and check out Signal 65 as well. They produce a lot of really good performance and comparison oriented reports.